Hello YouTube world. I finally have the time to sit down here and do this long overdue video. I got this a while back, like maybe a month ago, and I just didn't have the time to do this recording or do this video. So it's actually right now it's 1 a.m. It's past 1 a.m. and I just have to do what I gotta do, right? So as you can see in the box, this is not a purse. I think, and I hope that I'm finally done with Chanel purses, because we know that they are raising their prices again. So they're gonna have a price increase again. And I don't think that's worth it anymore, and it's not sustainable at all. So I feel like I'm in a place where I'm so happy with what I have right now, and I think I'm just gonna focus on other things from the brand. I do love Chanel. I love Chanel, and I hate that I love Chanel because they're so expensive. And but I just love it. I just love the house. Oh, by the way, I am wearing my rubber ducky robe again, so that's my glamorous life. Anyways, this is another unboxing video, as you can see. And like I said, I've had this for a while now, and I didn't even get the chance to use it. My SA got me this before we went on vacation, and I had her ship it to me after we came back. And since we came back, I think it's been a month, and I still didn't get the chance to unbox it. So I didn't get to use it. I waited until I do this video. So such a big box, such a small content now here. I guess so. Anyways, so this is what's in there. I don't know if you can guess what's in here, but this is the iconic Chanel packaging. And I saw my SA do this once, and she was so fast. I'm like, wow. So they have actually changed their camellia into paper. I think they used to do like a fabric. I think a fabric or a ribbon before, but now it's paper, like a cardboard paper. So there's the receipt, and there's that. Oops, there's that. There's that. Ta-da! So it's a pair of earrings. So I've been eyeing this for a long time, and I didn't want to pull the so I've been eyeing this for a long time. Sorry for I don't want to edit this. I just don't have time to. So please pardon my what you call that? I mispronounce words sometimes, because as you can tell, English is not my primary language. So like I said, going on a tangent here. I've been eyeing this for a while now, and I wanted to get this from my SA. So I waited until she got it for me. But I think when I started looking at these earrings, it was $25 less. But that's fine. My SA is so good to me. So this is what it looks like. And I'm trying to stay away from like earrings with like the stones, because I heard they fall off, but I just can't resist this. I love dangling earrings, and now when I got them, they're $800 when I was looking. So I think, yeah, I think it was only $750 when I was like looking at them, but then that's fine. So these are the earrings. They're quite heavy though. Yeah, I don't like the backing of Chanel earrings. It's just like really plastic. And this is only like a costume jewelry anyways. But honestly, if you ask me, it's too expensive to be like a, you know, to pay for a fashion jewelry like this. But like I said, I just love the brand. I love the house. And I love these earrings. I love dangling earrings. And they're very sparkly. I love sparkly stuff. So that's that. So I hope you like my video. And I'm sorry for like just the... I was like ranting. Not ranting, but just chatting away there. But yeah, that's it. And please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna come up with another video, hopefully like sometime soon, and I'm gonna talk about something related to my video today. All right, so what do you think, guys? Are they worth it? Honestly, if you ask me, they're not, but I'm crazy like that. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day. And you can write down in the comments below any reaction, anything that you have to say about these earrings or Chanel fashion jewelry in general. So that's it. All right, bye.